I've been using this app for many years and I didn't know how to do this. I just discovered it and here I have the video for you. So let's open the app. Now we're gonna select any image. I'm gonna select this one, and then here's the trick. On the bottom you're gonna go to color and you'll see this thing right here on the bottom, this option. You're gonna go all the way down to 0. So that's how you can make the background transparent. You see? So once you have it like that, tap on apply, and then on this arrow right here, tap on use, and you'll have this thing going on. So we're gonna tap down here and add text. I'm just gonna type in my name, and then I'm just gonna change some things here, like the color, and then I'm gonna tap on apply. I'm gonna go to stroke, change it, and then I'm gonna add a little shadow, and then tap on done. So I'm just gonna center the text with tapping on it, and then tap on move, and then tap on these arrows 1 and 2. Now it's gonna be centered, and I'm gonna tap again on the text and I'm gonna duplicate the same thing. You can do that with this option right here. So as you can see, it's the same thing. It's this option saves you a lot of time. So now I'm gonna tap on move again and do the same thing. As you can see, the shadow effect, it's been increased. So this is how I like to do it. And then I'm just gonna tap on this arrow on the bottom. So here's a thing that you have to be aware of. You have the first option, it says save image, and then you have the second one that says save image as PNG, which means transparent background. So I'm just gonna tap on both. So that's the first one, then I'll do the second option, and now we're gonna go to our photos, and as you can see, I have this image, which is a regular one. We didn't save it as PNG, and then you'll see the one that we actually want. So this is a PNG. So if you want to add this text to another video or image, you can do it. And in this case, I'm just gonna go to iMovie, and as you can see, I have those samples. Of course, you can like make it bigger or smaller or do whatever you want with it. I'm just gonna give you a couple samples so you can see what the difference between these two options. So this is PNG and this is just a regular image. As you can see right here in the video, it has background, and this one doesn't have a background.